In this CPR video, the role of the adult will be played by Sasha. The role of the child will be played by Samantha. And the role of the infant will be played by this thing. Okay. Now, let's say that Sasha's an adult and she passes out unconscious. First, you need to check the vital signs. Check pulse. Under the neck, under the chin, on the neck, on the wrists. Check, check, check to see if they're breathing. Put your fingers under the nose, if you can feel if they're breathing, or you can see if their chest rises. You need to make sure you do these things fast, just in case there is something seriously wrong. Alright, now, she is on her stomach. You want to make sure that you put her on her back. On an actual person, that'd be a little bit harder. Just roll them over. Now, you have to find the center of their chest, like right in the middle. So, have this hand like this, and then put the top hand over as so. Find the middle of their chest, and then press, don't bend your elbows, down as so. For 30 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay. Now, they still aren't breathing. Check, check. Very fast though. You need to pinch the nose back. Cover part of the mouth kind of like this, and breathe down as hard as you possibly can. Twice. Okay. Are they breathing? Make sure that whenever you're breathing that the chest rises to where that means that their lungs are actually taking in the air and that you're breathing hard enough. Now, if they still aren't breathing, they're still not responsive, do more compressions on the chest. 1, 2, 3, all the way through 30, all over again. Okay. Now, after that, make sure to call 911. If you have someone else already there, you can call 911 from the beginning, like as soon as you see them down. And there you go. Now, over to our child. There's a child. They're down. Same circumstance. What do? You call 911 immediately. Well, first you want to check to see if they're choking, because children have a tendency to choke on things very easily. So see if they're choking, look down their throat. Now, you can start doing chest compressions. Not as hard though. Only use one hand. You put down in the middle of the chest, same spot, 1, 2, all the way through 30. You bend the nose back, and then you have your hand over their mouth, and you breathe in. Don't breathe as hard though. Twice. After you do 30 chest compressions, you breathe in twice. And it does not need to be all of your lungs that you breathe in with. Just partially. About half as much as you breathe into an adult. And then you need to check again. Check their vital signs. Check their pulse. Check. See if they're breathing. If they're not breathing, you need to do that again. 30 times, one-handed. Because if you do it with two hands, it's a lot harder and it could crush them. And you do not want that. That's a lot worse. So then call 911. If there's someone else with you, call 911 first. You've got an infant. Okay. Infants also have a tendency of choking, so make sure, look down their throat, opening up, see if there's anything stuck in it. If there's not, then you need to take 2 fingers and put it on their chest. 30 times with only 2 fingers, and don't press down too hard. Now, if they're still unresponsive, you need to pin back the nose, tilt their head back, and you need to breathe. But only breathe as much as this into their mouth. Okay. They're still not responsive? you need to do 30 more chest compressions and then breathe again. And that should take about 2 minutes for each time that you do that. And then call 911. Call 911 immediately if you have someone else there, and also if you know that it's already choking on something, or if you saw it doing something that was dangerous for it and you witnessed it happen, and then automatically, oh my gosh, they're down. And that concludes my CPR video.